What's good? It's your boy Coach T, and welcome back to the Mud Talk Radio channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because if you're into fashion, sports, life, and culture, then you're into this channel. Let's go. Before I get into this video, man, shout out to all the new subs, man. We're continuing to walk down 1,000 right now, and I just want to say thank you to every person that's hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, drop the comment in the comment section. But I'm gonna ask you guys a favor again. If you're enjoying content like this, if you like unboxings, if you like fashion, drop a comment in the comment section below and let me know what you think about this video. But let's get into it. So I got another sneaker review for you today, man. You see it? Let's not even play around with it. The box reads Air Jordan 5 Retro SE. The colors are midnight navy and black. And you see that size right there? That's a 10.5 men's, which is not my size, but we'll talk about that later. Let's get inside the box. You see, you got the standard Jordan paper right there. We're gonna pull this joker out. Boom. Got the Air Jordan 5 navy right there, man. What y'all think about that, man? All right, so we got the Air Jordan 5 navy right here, man. As you can see, I'm gonna be honest, this is a very familiar looking shoe. It actually reminds me, my initial reaction is that this shoe reminds me of the Air Jordan 5 Craft. If you've seen the Air Jordan 5 Craft, not a very popular silhouette, but I personally like it. It has that mix of canvas right here on the toe box, and you also have that suede right here wrapped around it. So, you know, the canvas is not a popular material that you'll see on like some of your more popular silhouettes or popular sneakers, but I will say that the canvas is definitely durable. You don't have to worry about that creasing or you know, just denting up and looking crazy after you wear it a couple times. So that's one of the benefits of having canvas on this sneaker. Also, you got the suede going around here, around the toe cap. You got suede on the back right here. And you got that Jordan, you know, you can see the emblem right there on the back. You know, all right, so let's grab the second shoe real quick and do as we always do here on the channel, man. You know we got to do a side-by-side comparison because we need to check for any type of quality control issues, because you know, when you're going out to buy these sneakers after you're watching these videos, if you choose to buy these sneakers, I would hope that I give you some insight on the type of pair that I received and things to look for when you open your box before you make, you know, your purchase, whether you're purchasing in-store or online, some things to look out for. But we're gonna turn around and we're gonna look for any type of stitching issues, excuse me, any type of bruises on the suede, you know, any spots on the soles, anything like that would suggest that this shoe was already worn by the, you know, the employees at the store or something like that. Nah, for real. But we just checking to see what's on here. Any glue issues, anything like that. But this shoe is honestly looking as perfect as a shoe would look. It's pretty good. I say it's pretty good. You know, with this suede, it's always something to look out for. The canvas is still new to me, getting shoes on a channel that has canvas, but the canvas is extremely durable. I don't think you have to worry about that. If anything, you have to worry about the canvas maybe having a stain on it or something like that. But overall, this shoe is in great shape. All right, man, so we got the Air Jordan 5 navy right here, man. I almost said burgundy, which I did in one of the bloopers. One day I'm gonna bring y'all the bloopers. How about that, man? If y'all wanna see bloopers from all my videos, and there's a lot of them, y'all wanna hear my wife fussing me out and dogging going in on me, hey, I'll drop a comment, you know, just you know, let me know. You know what I'm saying? I'll give y'all some of that. But anyway, man, we got the Air Jordan 5 navy right here for a retail price point of $210. You can get on Nike Sneakers app right now. You can go grab these. This was not a shoe that's sold out. You can walk in your local, as we did, we walked into House of Hoops, Foot Locker, and we were able to grab them. I told you at the beginning of this video that this is a size 10.5 men's. This is not my size. If you know me, I wear a men's 12. This is for my son. This pickup was kind of weird because I wasn't gonna bring this shoe to the channel, but then I was talking to my son over breakfast a couple of days ago, I think Friday morning, and cause school was out here, and shout out to all the veterans, by the way, man. Shout out to my uncle who served, and everybody who served in this country that has sacrificed to make sure that we have a safe place to call home, man. I appreciate y'all. Happy Veterans Day, by the way. But I was having a conversation with my son and I showed him these shoes, and my son is the type that he likes what he likes. And that's one thing I love about him as an 18-year-old he is not influenced by society whatsoever. Like if he likes it, he's gonna wear it. And that's what I love about him. And I hope he keeps that same mindset with life. And because when you're worried about everybody else, man, it's gonna be really hard for you to attack the things that you like and the things that you wanna do in life because you're so concerned with what everybody else thinks. But my son was like, yo, did you grab them in my size? Them fire. And I was like, nah, I didn't even get them. Long story short, we went to the mall and me and my wife was out on a Saturday night and we stepped in and she was like, you think Quay want these? And I was like, matter of fact, he does. And I was like, yeah, just grab them, you know. So we got a size 10.5 right here. It's not a 12. I actually think the 10.5 looks better than my size. Maybe because it's a little bit smaller, it doesn't look as bulky because that's one of the downsides to 5s where people talk about the 5 looking bulky because it is a high top, but you just got a lot going on with the 5. I think it's a dope shoe though. All right, so let's talk about styling this shoe. Speaking of styling, we were at the mall, man, and shout out to one of my favorite stores that I love to shop at, just period. There's only one in the Charlotte, North Carolina area, and that's Urban Outfitters, man. If you're into Urban Outfitters, if you've been looking for drip and you're trying to find something good for the wintertime, some dope pants, some dope hoodies and hats and graphic tees and all type of stuff, man, Urban Outfitters have some of the most unique clothes that I've seen in any, store that you'll find in a mall. Again, there's only one location in Charlotte, unlike California where we got them like all over there's just Urban Outfitters on the corner like Target out there in LA. But, it is one of my favorite stores. And so I was in there shopping for some pants and it made me think about these Jordan 5s and how you're gonna need some wide pants with these. I know I say that a lot, but you're gonna need a wide, pair of pants with these because it's a bulky shoe. You don't want the bulk to take over your outfit. When somebody just look you up and down and they just see the bulky high top, you know what I'm saying? Maybe it's your thing. Maybe it's what you want people to see, but I would recommend getting a pair of wide leg jeans, throwing them on. I actually picked up a really, really dope pair. I'll probably do a styling video soon, but some cargo jeans, something like that, something that's gonna go over this shoe. That way that you can complement it. Maybe get you a cardigan, a nice hoodie, you know what I'm saying? And really, settle into these, 50-degree temperatures and these 45-degree temperatures that we're getting after 6 p.m. here in Charlotte. But I'm gonna tell you like this, man, not a hard shoe to style. You can always throw it on with some joggers as well. It's a Jordan 5, man. It's not that hard. Let's get it. All right, man. So I gotta give you my rating before we get out of here, man. I'm gonna tell you, man. This one probably gonna make people upset. I say that all the time, I'm trying not to be controversial with my ratings because the truth is, it's the Mud Talk Radio channel. It was created by Coach T, and I'm bringing you my thoughts on sneakers and fashion and things of that nature. So this is just an opinion of mine. So I'm gonna give the Air Jordan 5 Navy right now, man. Y'all ready for this? Babe, take this for me real quick. I wish we had a drum roll. Maybe I'll find a way to edit that soon. We gonna go with 6.5 out of 10 right here, man. 6.5 out of 10, man. I'm low-key feeling this shoe. Y'all didn't expect that. You've only seen one of the Jordan 5 on the channel, that was the burgundy. But I low-key like this, man. And I'm thinking because the canvas is starting to grow on me for real. I think that I do understand how the canvas can throw you off when you look at it, but when you get it in hand, it is real different, man. It is real different. And I know a lot of people gonna jump down my throat because I just dropped an OG pair where I gave it a rating of a 5.5 out of 10. And a lot of sneaker YouTubers that I know and I respect and I love and I appreciate for opening the doors and taking me into the community said that, man, I was crazy for rating that sneaker a 5.5 out of 10. But it's mainly because it's Duke Blue. And if you haven't watched the video, I'm gonna drop it at the end of this video so you can go and watch it. But if you already watched it, you know what I'm talking about. I rated an OG sneaker 5.5 out of 10. And a lot of people was not happy about that. But listen, man, it's because of the Duke Blue. This is blue, but it ain't Duke Blue. And hey, shout out to them Tar Heels, man, for keeping me up all night last night in double overtime and going to get that victory bell from Duke, man. You know what I'm saying? Drake made his last rodeo, man. That boy showed out, man. You looking for the #1 pick in the NFL draft? Hey, he up in Chapel Hill, man. Number 10, Drake May, man. Shout out to Carolina. Let's go. But you know the saying, man. Love is free, hate costs. You've been watching Mud Talk with your boy, Coach T. I'm out.
Subscribe, like, comment, hit that post notification.
Oh yeah, you heard it first and foremost.
Go hit the like, go subscribe, go all that.
All that, man.